Hey everybody, I'm here in Coyote Lake Campground outside Morgan Hill, California, and I'm camping in our 2016 Lazy Daze Twin King. In another video on the Twin King, I took you inside and outside and showed you all around, and I had some viewers comment and ask about how much storage capacity is in the external compartments, the exterior compartments on the Lazy Daze. So I thought today that I would show you those compartments. There's 4 compartments on the outside, and I'll show you how much you can fit inside them. They're not very large, they carry enough, but they have some limitations, and I wanted to share that with you here since you asked. So on the passenger side of the Lazy Daze Twin King, there are 2 storage cabinets. They're right there behind the right rear wheel. One above, one below. So we'll take a look. I'll open those up and you can see what space is in there. Toolbox, tire jack, board for the tire jack, levelers, wheel chuck, bicycle parts, motor oil, and a compressor and lug wrench. There's one wall, there's the other wall, there's the other wall. Nicely made. Linoleum on the floor. And you can see it's stick built. Cut down 2x4, sort of 1x2 construction. The top cabinet is significantly larger than the bottom cabinet because you have the opening here, but the cabinet continues all the way back here. So you actually have a lot of space from here to this wall, all the way in here, to this wall, all the way back here. And it's, of course, a lot wider this way and this way. But the opening that you have to fit things through, it's only about 9.5 inches. I'll start taking the stuff out of here, and not everything's in there. First, the black panels, those are horse mats that I've cut down to use as levelers. And I've got about 7 of them or 8 of them already on the ground under the rear tires. So they take up space. But I'll take out everything in there. You can see what's in there, and I'll show you something that barely fits. Charger for the electric bike. Horse leveler, bungee cords, more horse pad levelers. You can get these at the store Tractor Supply. If you buy them, buy the 3/4 inch thick ones. This is a dog crate. Set it up, it's like a safe enclosure for dogs. We actually carry 2 of those. Waste basket, bunch of different bicycle locks, stakes for the easy up, More dog toys. This is a game, but you can see it's pretty sizable. And here's our propane fireplace, which barely fits. If there was another ½ an inch, it wouldn't fit through the opening. And that's the limitation of the compartments, the height of the opening. Otherwise, it's pretty big. I think I could take you inside. It's kind of dirty. That stuff is the residue that comes off the horse mats. We'll go around the other side, but I'll fill this back up again. So let's look at the driver's side of the Lazy Daze Twin King RV. On this side of the RV, I only have one large cabinet. This is for propane. Of course, it says it right on it. This is about the same size as the other cabinet. All right, here we go. Just a towel rag for cleaning the RV. Odds and ends. Shade cloth for the dogs. My bike trainer for riding when it's pouring rain under the awning. We're going to get some big things now. You'll see. That's a stand-up enclosure. Full Harbor Freight toolbox. Here again, you can see it barely fits through the opening, but it fits. Just a rubber mat. Usually I carry the chairs in here. There's one chair, and here to give you an idea of how large it is end to end. The last item is a 10 by 10 easy up. So if we go down and then we look inside this one, oh, there's a hatchet there. That's one of the metal reinforcements they put in the frame to stiffen it. You could see the whole size. You could see there was some extra space in there. Some of the stuff we've already taken out. So I'll put all this stuff back in. Then we'll look at the other storage compartment, which is actually right there. This one right here. There it is with all the stuff back in. You can see that it's not completely full. You could wedge more stuff in there if you wanted to. Yeah, it's all in how you pack it too, where you put things. This is the last storage compartment, which we actually use for all our water-related odds and ends. So we'll empty that out. I'll show you what's in there. Various adapters and fittings for plumbing. 3 different hoses. Water filter, siphon pump, big basket full of stuff, and then a little portable vacuum cleaner. Now we'll get a little closer and I'll show you what it looks like inside. That's actually the valve that lets you drain the fresh water tank when you get home from your trip. There you go. That's a quick look at the storage capacity, the exterior storage capacity on the Lazy Daze Twin King, at least the 2016 model. But the models don't change very much year to year, so it gives you a pretty good idea what you can get inside. The limitation, as I pointed out, was the opening, the width of the opening. I'll put down the actual dimensions of the 4 exterior storage compartments so you'll have the numbers. And you can hold it up to things you're trying to carry and decide if they'll fit in the Lazy Daze or not. If they won't fit in the exterior storage compartment, we put them inside on the cab over bed. That's how we carry stuff. A lot of stuff is up there when we're traveling. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to leave any questions about the RV, the Lazy Daze RV Twin King model that you have. We've been camping in it now for about 5 years, and we have a lot of experience on using the RV and on all its features. So happy to answer any questions, try to help if I can. And thanks very much again, and I'll see you in the next video.